Every day, workers put themselves in harm's way to inspect hazardous environments in confined spaces, bridges, tunnels, chemical plants, and even collapsed structures. But what if we could remove risk altogether? Today, I'll share with you a few ways we're using drones to keep people safe. Before work begins, understanding a landscape is critical. Traditional topographic surveys can be slow and hazardous. With drones, we quickly generate high-resolution maps, helping teams, identify unstable terrain, mitigating risks, and planning safer work zones, all without stepping foot in dangerous areas. Confined spaces are some of the most dangerous environments for workers. When a tunnel beneath a manufacturing facility collapsed, sending a team inside posed extreme risks. Instead, we deploy a drone equipped with LiDAR, thermal imaging, and video to assess structural integrity, locate hazards, and provide real-time visibility without endangering a single worker. This data can now be used to share with all necessary stakeholders to safely assess the conditions of the tunnel and plan a safe and effective rehabilitation. Our team works with a variety of engineering, environmental, and consulting firms to help execute these types of services. Bridges face constant wear from weather and traffic, but inspecting them often requires rope access or scaffolding, both dangerous and costly. Our drones eliminate that risk, reaching every angle with high-resolution imaging to detect things such as rust, corrosion, or likely what we're seeing here, some structural weakness, all while keeping inspectors safely on the ground. This information can then be used to direct teams to make safe and effective repairs without having to build the scaffolding or even more hang from a rope to view these types of areas. Quench towers in steel plants operate in extreme conditions. Inspecting them means exposure to high heat, toxic gases, and sometimes tight spaces. With drones, we can navigate through complex interiors, identifying wear on lining and structural components to ensure a safe operation without shutting down production or putting workers into harm's way. These types of inspections allow us to get an up-close view without having to use any type of special equipment or access to these types of environments. After a building collapses, safety is a top concern. Sending in first responders without visibility can be dangerous. Our drones can provide rapid, detailed assessments, visualizing and mapping structural damage to guide demolition teams and emergency responders, ensuring safety before anyone steps inside and puts themselves into harm's way. Sometimes dangers aren't always visible. Hazardous gas leaks are invisible threats. Entering these environments unprepared can be fatal. Our drones, equipped with optical gas imaging sensors, detect methane and other harmful gases from a safe distance. Whether in refineries, chemical plants, tanks, or pipelines, we can provide real-time data to prevent disasters and protect workers. The future of safety isn't just about protecting workers, it's about preventing risk entirely. By replacing human exposure with robotics and smart automation, we're turning hazardous inspections into data-driven remote operations. With iBot's drones, safety isn't an afterthought, it's built into every flight. Because the safest job is the one that never puts anyone in danger. Thank you.